Hello and welcome to Robert's Tech. In this video we're going to talk about the SpeedStar system that we sell. It's available on our website roberts.tech, and I want to show you the actual waveform that this system puts out. It consists of our pre-cut star and a proximity detector. The SpeedStar system consists of two parts: the actual star, which goes in the wheel and mounts right in there. This is one of the larger wheels that we use on our robot rovers, on our high roller chassis. Now here I have it all bolted in place, and the wheel that's sized for our pacer chassis, and the hub's in there as well. So the star combined with the sensor here on our chassis, pre-drilled hole for the sensor, the motor already installed. These proximity detectors run, I think, on 8 volts up to like over 24 volts. They're really meant for industrial purposes. So to connect this proximity detector, you have a black wire, a blue wire, and a brown wire. And the color coding is a little unconventional because it's not your US type standard. The brown wire is actually your power, the blue wire is your ground, and the black wire is the output signal. So to connect this up, I'm going to go ahead and use 12 volts off of one of my power supplies here. So again, the blue is my common or ground, and the brown is the 12 volts. Connect those two. I'm going to put my scope probe on the black wire, which is the output from the sensor, and then we'll add the scope ground on the blue wire. So now all I've got to do is mount the wheel, and the way this is set up is that the wheel, the SpeedStar inside the wheel, is very close to that sensor but not touching it. And even just turning with my hand, if you see on the scope here, you can see that waveform. If I actually run the voltage up on the motor, now you can see the consistent waveform coming off of the proximity detector in the scope. So as I speed up, so this type of system is the same system they use on your car for your anti-lock brakes. And the good thing about it is it's very reliable, rugged and reliable, and immune to dirt and dust. So even if you were to run this robot chassis outside, this would be a very reliable way of picking up the speed. You know, you would never have to worry about it getting dirty like an optical sensor could get clogged up with dirt and would stop working. Now this wheel is, again, mentioned, I might have mentioned it, this is our mid-size wheel that we use. This is actually an Actobotics product, or a Go Build a wheel, and we make a star that fits in there. The larger wheel, we have that star fits in here. On these smaller wheels that we have on some of the robot rovers that we make, our SpeedStar won't fit into that, and so on that one I've actually embedded magnets in these wheels. It's a little bit of a challenge to do, but it's doable. And then I use an actual Hall effect sensor to pick up that magnetic field as the wheel goes around. That's something I think I'm going to include in another video on how to do that, because it's a way to get a speed sensing system on these smaller wheels. So thanks for watching this video. Our website is roberts.tech. Hope you go over and visit our website and see all the different products we have for robot rovers, and we'll see you on the next video.